bel tua acholi ana mi rafu yu matek kadada tua kitmo winyu kere machalo acholi ko beri chani watiki pero madia kadada maluka ke pero meluluch kitene watika kwanyo karwa mechero yanga gora ipade district karwa ta kilo teno mamegwa ke jo mamegwa magetika karo ke chan maliep no to luluch
to luluch tie dok tie makome ma wan wadonjo tela amira wach ne wan wano ne noding tie ma odi yanga gora to twan watiki household maromo mia de kiwie matuo luluju guru baino arachiel no go karo kenne arachiel ne tikiri tie maromo de tie maromo riyo mokenne maromo ngwen idata ma wan wano ma wakupe ki daktari kingan wan wa mo de tie watie ki magiti ki tuo tie makar mia bero but kom ne tie ne ki chue chin tie wan ko gi tigatu ko gi tiga ichi diwo mokenne gitoy pi mokenne gitoy mach mokenne kino gi machogo piano no biro ruin dwa kigan no ko gipe para mira wajne kino chie madaki very strange kero bende chuo in mo mangien ma wan watiga na tiga kati petie eno ko pale tien wa en man gi tiki tuo ne ichien kidiwo da tiga to mane tien to mano pano dano romo ye ni kina kamera romo time chipe man wan wadon duro ni gina tima mo kwait mo matut pire tek tutwal ni gamente nurbe kit mo yo wine mage romo na ne tuo ine kiyenye doke ni ango be kome
anda peya be pa ne ngo abuti mi bana tunya aw pire kene ki
pe mo ni no
peya me lok lo da ba
chimare pe ye ni ti anongo tuo kiti yele
yene katika yela eto aron pero kere mo nutu mwaga chao wiya
Tuo chao ki luchu wiya luya kachamu ludu wiya kaman ki yunge tuo chao reto na rera ni ukomber ka tuo rera awara ta ayenya kara ka cherte lum ka padur tol tie dia ka padur no gini ka ka chak e wale nyo ko me kar ma funne ko me en wale nyo ko wiya chao wiya en chel dan na wala war mala chon wa en chel dan mu tikulu do karo en chel dan no en kitika biyo ka pime misiele karo tia biyo pime misiele en ana en le porn no tuoni keto bera tim ka nyagani
tuo luch kano chene watikulu tera matek magi paro pikaka ko tuo luch dobe chero wo idonas nigi cherka inyo fund mi biro ka nerani tuo luch ka kiti kome kitwa miere tuo luch yer ku gekere eno wakubiri chawane tuo luch futika yelu tieno benetika nekodano chidong watimu ngo.
So we need to really look and research for this. What is now causing this problem? If at all they were talking of the nutrition, they are talking of some of these war which has caused this kind of disease in the community. For sure, scientists need to work out. They need to research for this. So if scientists can come and pick the samples and go and do thorough research on what is causing this problem and what is causing this infection in the community, we would really love to have that so that we come to the end of this kind of disease. We rule out these are diseases which can be controlled and prevent and even ended, like polio. It is not like malaria, which are ever there in the community. And malaria is also can also be ended. If we have immunization, we have the rest of the thing for malaria control. We can handle that. Yes. So the idea of center, I'm very much sure about how the family of these people living, they are surviving in this community. First of all, the mothers, the fathers, actually the parents and the guardians are not having time to go and do other economic activities. Just simply because they have to control this children from a lot of things like fire, things like water, and the rest of it. So, my idea is, if we can have the center for these children, whereby the government will help, we should not rely so much on donation. If the government can budget for these children, we should have the center, and the center will include the following. Ideally, I think it will work out. The nutritionist has to be there for their nutrients, for their diet. We have also the drugs, meaning we should also employ some medical personnel